Hello and welcome to an FX Times morning video brief. I'm CMS Forex market analyst Nick Nassad. Today's Tuesday, December 8th, 2009. Overnight, we saw the dollar continue to gain against the euro and other risk-positive currencies as investors kept their focus on possible increases in key U.S. interest rates. A Monday speech by Fed Chairman Bernanke, in which he reiterated the Fed's commitment to expansive monetary policy and ultra-low interest rates, did little to quash investors' appetite for dollars as the markets continued to digest the much better than expected non-farm payroll report that we saw on Friday. Overnight, the Eurozone posted economic data which was worse than expected, mainly German industrial production data, and we had a downgrade of a credit rating for Greece, so that kept the pressure on the euro and helped the greenback to gain against its main rival. From a technical standpoint, the pair has moved below its support at 1.48, which had been our support during our ranging action throughout most of November. We had been stuck within a range between 1.48 and 1.5150, and since the non-farm payroll release, we have tested that support boundary and broke it in yesterday's trading, and we're back below that level again today. Today's low at near 1.4725 is the lowest the pair has been since early November. The UK pound slid sharply overnight after ratings agency Moody's Investor Service warned that the UK and the US need to rein in their deficits in order to hold on to their AAA credit ratings. As I mentioned, the credit agency Fitch downgraded Greece on Tuesday to BBB plus status, outlook negative, after issuing a ratings warning on Monday. The Moody's report didn't hit the dollar, as a U.S. downgrade is still generally viewed as unlikely. Sterling, however, tumbled against the greenback and more sharply against the euro. We had UK data come out in the form of industrial and manufacturing production figures, which were also weaker than expected, so those didn't help to stem the pound's losses in overnight trading. Zooming the pound-dollar pair out a little to show more past history, we see that we're at a very important level of support now, right here at the 1.6260 area. This level acted as support in late October, following a break above that level in mid-October. So we had two tests of support here in October, one in late November, and again we're testing that level in today's trading. So a move below this support would be a very bearish indication for the pound-dollar pair. Overnight trading was characterized mainly by risk aversion following the weaker German and Eurozone production data, Fitch ratings downgrade of Greece, and the Moody's warnings to the debt ratings on the US and UK all worked to help the Japanese yen gain in overnight trading. Here in the dollar-yen pair, we see a second straight session of yen gains as it manages to cut down the greenback's gains following its non-farm payroll report on Friday. Today's movements broke a short-term line of support, this trend line here, and we saw that we cracked that in Asian trading, and following a small retest, this move amounted to a 38.2% retracement of our rally in the dollar from our low here on near 84.80 to our high on 90.70. Against the pound, the yen strengthened by more than 340 pips from low to high, as the UK sterling was being pressured in today's trading and the yen was showing strength as a result of risk aversion. Here too we broke our support trend line at the beginning of Asian trading, and we also moved below an important level around 146.50, which if we zoom out we see has acted as support in late October and prior to our break of this level around the situation created by the Dubai debt default concerns. Since then we had a pretty good rally as the yen weakened, but following our test of 149, the yen has strengthened again and moved below this support, this power line. Japan's government also announced today a 7.2 trillion yen economic spending package that will include 3.5 trillion yen to help regions, 600 billion yen for employment, and 800 billion yen on environmental initiatives. That amounts to 81 billion US dollars altogether. So those were the main themes from overnight, and I'll leave you with that. This has been a morning video brief from FX Times. For more news, videos, and analysis, please visit our site fxtimes.com.